How to use coupons on the Shein app. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to use coupons on the Shein app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Shein app on your device. Then you will land on the shop page. Now you have to browse the item that you want to purchase and you have to tap add to cart for each. Suppose, let's say I want to choose bags and loggies. Here are different recommended bags. You can choose any one and add to your cart by tapping add to cart icon. Choose the color and then select add to cart button. Once it has been added, you need to select the cart icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, you have to review the selected item and tap checkout. Once done, you have to enter all your shipping address. Once you have added the shipping address, select Save button. Once you are done with it, you will need to add the payment method and underneath that you will get apply coupon. Simply need to tap on apply coupon, and if you have available coupon, you can simply tap apply coupon and tap the apply button, and you can successfully use coupons and get heavy discounts on the products on Shein app. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.